can't.
That's what you do every time.
Yeah. They're gonna ban them.
Hello, guys.
How you doing?
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, they gonna get that money, man. Man, I remember I was leaving from Indiana. I went to the hospital there. They did all kind of stuff, all kind of blood. But anyway, after I was done, man, you know they called me a cab. They Uber. Called me Uber, man. They sure did.
They pay for it?
Yeah, they paid for it. That was nothing. They just made, you know.
You eat your car up, huh?
Yeah, that was nothing, man. They made. I was out there about 8 hours. Yeah, man. Coming in, taking blood, coming in, doing other stuff. They got a thing there though. If they find drugs in your system, that's what Jill was telling me. They won't let you go. They keep you like 48 hours or 72 hours, something like that.
Until the drugs is out you.
Yeah. They will not let you out of there.
They want you being third.
Exactly.
You haven't called the police on you.
Police is there. You try to leave.
They're arrested.
Yeah. But you either stay or go with them.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
That's how you been out?
Yeah. Yeah. The thing is, it started off, people used to come in, they was always trying to get hydros, oxycontin, and all that stuff.
Right.
For a while, you know, they were giving people, they were helping them.
You start abusing
But it was abuse, they were really getting high with them.
Yeah.
They cut that all, put the script. You can't hardly get ibuprofen now.
No.
No. They ain't on it.
They ain't having it.
No, not even a little bit. Was that Resident Evil?
Code Veronica, yeah. Resident Evil Code Veronica X of LB.
It's just a clip. It's just a.
It's like a 31-minute clip or part of the game, but I'm only filming like 16 minutes. Yeah, it's Resident Evil. I'm only filming like the first 16 minutes for now.